Hey everyone, if you're in Russia and you can't access Discord, maybe the app won't open, messages don't send, or voice chat won't connect, this video is for you. Discord has been blocked or restricted in Russia in the past, especially during certain events or political moments. But don't worry, there's a safe and working method to unblock Discord in Russia, and I'll walk you through it step by step. You'll also find a NordVPN link in the description. That's the tool I personally use to access blocked apps like Discord safely and reliably. In Russia, Discord has been partially or completely restricted by some internet providers. This can happen during protests or political unrest, government-imposed censorship, ISP-level filtering of VoIP and chat apps. So even if you have internet access, Discord might be completely unreachable, voice chat won't connect, messages won't send or receive. The most effective solution is to use a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN helps you change your IP address so it looks like you're in another country. Encrypt your traffic so your internet provider can't block or see what you're doing. Restore access to all Discord features: text, voice, video, screen sharing. But not all VPNs work in Russia. Many are blocked, slow, or insecure. That's why I use and recommend NordVPN, obfuscated servers that bypass government firewalls. Fast, secure, and works on all devices. 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device: PC, Mac, Android, iPhone. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings, Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a safe country, like Germany, the Netherlands, or the US. Step 6. Open Discord. And now it should work perfectly. If Discord still isn't working after connecting to the VPN, try a different VPN server location. Restart the Discord app. Clear Discord cache on desktop or mobile. Switch to a different VPN protocol: NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. One of these should fix the issue. And that's how you unblock Discord in Russia quickly and safely. Use NordVPN with obfuscated servers to bypass restrictions. Connect to a secure server outside Russia. Open Discord and enjoy full access: voice, text, video, and more. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get NordVPN with a special discount and try it risk-free. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more Discord guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.